Oh, come and get some dead baits. So we'll take, got some, what are them? Got some roach. Take some roach. Sardines. Oh, I've got some blueies there. Good oily bait of these. Don't know if you've ever used them before. Yeah, good. Take them with me. And loads of sardines here. So yeah, so that's my bait for today. Let's go see what we can do. So come and get some dead bait. Well, we're on our way to the river for another session. Sunday morning, 10 degrees, blowing a gale. Quite warm though, feels warm. Fishing with a buddy today. You probably won't see him because he fishes in full camouflage. If you see him, give us a shout. So yeah, so let's hope we bag a few. I'm not far off my destination now. Should be there shortly. Seems to take me forever to get here this morning. It's only half an hour, 3/4 an hour journey. Seems to take me for ages, so running a bit late, he'll be sat waiting for me. Be in trouble. Let's get going. See you later. Well, we're on to another swim. If I don't fall in. Monster. And then we'll put in camouflage now. Yeah, little jockey, full of life. Sasquatch. Told you, he's got his camouflage gear on. There. It blends in like a tree. I think it's wind. It's tied down. False alarm, I reckon. Well, we're in again. Oh, sprightly little Jack. Nearly fell in, that'd have been good. Come on, you little devil. In you go. Now then, little pikey. Big leech on that. Oh, they're on bait box. What do you think? Squid? Yeah. A little. Come on, Gilly, do your job. Took that on, dropped in it. Get my mat out as well before police come. Very good. Thank you.
Bit of weight there.
Let's pop it in there.
You go and get your mat.
Get me mat, get ready. This is why you should be ready. So far we've had 4 or 5 fish out today. Not been a bad day. I think biggest one's been about 11-12 pound. John lost one. Hook came straight out. So yeah, so we've got another couple of swims to swim, a couple of swims to fish, and then we're going to make us way home. So let's hope. Thought the float were going then. Let's hope we get another couple in bag. Let's hope we get that big 20. Fingers crossed. Just sit and wait. So definitely in. really messing with that, isn't it?
I wouldn't risk it, I'd go now. You in?
Yep. Like a torpedo. There we go.
Still plenty of fight in them, isn't there?
Yeah. Just turn it round. Guarantee you either have a drink or a sandwich.
Where's your tool? Is it in this?
Yeah. Oh no, it's just in top.
You got a tear on top of that now.
Watch your offload.
It's got a little growth.
Oh! Bit my finger.
It's on the outside, isn't it?
Yeah.
Need a new trace on.
Yeah. There we go. Caught me.
Want a photo?
Yep. It's got plenty of scars down this side. So, just making my way now to the last swim that we're going in before we go home. Didn't have out in that swim then. Pretty quiet. Yeah, so we'll see what this last one brings. Hopefully we had a fish on. One last one anyway. Wish me luck. Then we'd have to get home. We're having lamb today for his dinner. Slow cooked lamb in a balsamic glaze. If you want recipe, drop us a message and I'll let you know what it is. Fantastic. See you later.